Hi, Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe is creamy vegan macaroni salad. We all love macaroni salad any time of year, but right now we're hoping for spring, warm weather, and some happier times. But since we're stuck in the house, let's make something fun. Really easy for your kids, great way to introduce them to cooking. You already have cooked noodles, doesn't have to be on the stove. So let's have fun. We're in our sweatshirt, exercise pants. Let's get started by washing our hands, of course. And we're ready to go. This is a gluten-free elbow noodle. I'll get started with some basic ingredients. Okay, we start with vegan mayonnaise. We've got ourselves a red onion. We've got some celery. I'm not a huge fan of celery, weirdly, but super great in salads. Add some crisp, perfect. Dill pickles, a lemon, and we've got some salt and pepper. Now, this is basic. If you want to add yellow mustard, Dijon mustard, these are great opportunities to add little flavors that you like. Capers, dill, basil, really up to you. Like I said, this is a basic recipe for you to get started on it. Let's start by chopping up our ingredients. Now, red onions, any onions in fact, can be difficult to cut. If you create a flat bottom, this will help keeping it steady when you cut it. You know, I'm not perfect with it. Just keep your fingers intact. You might want to do this instead of having your children do it, but teach them good knife skills. Safety first. So let's start. I'll just do a basic cut. Remember, red onions are strong, so unless you love the flavor, don't use too many. See, I keep my fingers back. You can curl your fingers and cut. If you're messy in the kitchen, come join me. If I'm trying to bake, I'm super messy, and I'm not a great baker. Being vegan and gluten-free makes baking really tough. Let's go ahead and start by putting it in our bowl with your onion. And you can add a few at a time. If you don't want to add them all, excuse me. Thank you. Trying not to touch my face. So cut right down the center of the celery, like that. Remember to keep your fingers away. Turn it and go ahead and rough chop. Super easy to practice your knife skills. Go ahead and add it. Hairs on my face again. Ugh. Now the pickles. Now if you don't like pickles, don't add them. I don't know, add some radishes if you like. You can even add some spinach, kale. Okay, we're gonna cut our lemon just a little. We can always add more. And onto your mayo. This is a creamy macaroni salad. Vegan, of course. My hair is driving me crazy. Now, if you wanted right now to add celery seed, herbs, I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper, more lemon. You can even zest it over the top before you serve it. It smells like summer. I've got about a cup of baby spinach, and I'm gonna give that a rough chop. The more color, the better. I always think it means better nutrition. I don't know if that's true. I'm not a dietitian. So here we go. It's looking really good. Cover it and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. We'll be back to try it. We're back now that it's been chilled for about an hour. Let's go ahead and put it in a bowl. I didn't use a lot of mayonnaise, so it's a little drier. So you can use like a white balsamic or some olive oil. I would like the balsamic. Maybe a little bit more salt and a little pepper. You're gonna really love this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and let me know how you made it your own. Stay safe. Stay healthy, stay in. Thanks again for watching. Bye.